Welcome to Product Genesis, the channel where we reveal exactly how your favorite gadgets are born, inside massive factories. Today we're stepping inside a state-of-the-art factory in China to show you the complete manufacturing process of the HD06R Smart Lighting Remote, the powerful handheld device that programs motion sensors for offices, warehouses, and smart buildings worldwide. From raw plastic pellets to a fully functional remote with LCD screen, infrared transmitter, and 15-meter range, this is the entire journey. Let's begin. It all starts with raw materials. High-grade ABS plastic pellets arrive in giant bags. These pellets are chosen for their durability, heat resistance, and perfect surface finish. At the same time, copper sheets, silicon rubber, microcontrollers, infrared LEDs, AAA battery contacts, and a small LCD display panel are prepared. First step, creating the brains of the remote, the printed circuit board. Engineers design the exact circuit layout. A copper-coated board receives light-sensitive film. Ultraviolet light etches the precise pathways. Then chemicals remove unwanted copper. Tiny components arrive: resistors, capacitors, a custom microcontroller chip. Robotic arms with pinpoint accuracy place every single part in less than a second. The board travels through a hot air soldering oven and comes out fully working. Next, the outer shell. Plastic pellets are poured into a massive injection molding machine. The machine heats it to 250 degrees and injects at 100 tons of pressure. In just 30 seconds, perfectly shaped top and bottom casings pop out. Now the satisfying part, the buttons. Conductive silicone rubber is molded with raised domes. Each dome coated with carbon, so when you press it, it completes the circuit. Time for assembly. The PCB goes into the bottom casing. Rubber keypad, LCD screen, and infrared LED are precisely placed. The top casing clicks on. Tiny screws secure everything. Battery contacts snap in. The remote is now physically complete, but it's not finished. Every HD06R goes through rigorous testing: functional infrared test, LCD clarity, drop test, vibration test, extreme temperature. Only the ones that pass 100% get the approval sticker. Final step, packaging. Each remote is placed in protective foam inside a branded box, sealed and ready for shipment to the United States and beyond. Mind-blowing fact, this tiny remote contains over 200 individual components and travels through 14 different machines before it reaches your hand. If you loved this factory journey, hit like, subscribe to Product Genesis, and turn on notifications.